Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hey, we did it. We hit 1,000. We over 1,000. I thank you all for it. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you for getting me over the hump. I was pushing to get there, and I got there, man. These last couple of years, I've really been getting people in to watch the channel, man. And like I said, it's greatly appreciated. I couldn't do it without you guys, so thank you so much. Today, yes, we got one. NikeID, Nike by you. I still call it NikeID. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I still call it NikeID. That's what it's been for so many years. But here we go, the box. Crazy thing about this, you know, some people complain, say I always give this story before the shoe, but I mean, of course, you want to give a story on how you got your shoes. So, I had a Nike account and I designed some Nike IDs. I designed some dunks. I designed 3 or 4 colorways. I just remembered this, why this happened. I designed 3 or 4 colorways. Now, since that time, I actually deleted that account because I kept striking out on everything on sneakers. So I deleted that account, created a new account, and I hit on 2 pair of shoes. Then they did the Nike by you dunks. And when I went on there, they had like 4 dunks that were already available, 4 colors that were already available. And I forgot. So in my mind, I'm thinking this is one of the ones I designed and I didn't finish. So I clicked it and I saw that people were getting sold out and glitch messages. So I didn't go in and touch up nothing or change nothing. I just hit checkout so I could hurry up and check out because I didn't want to miss out because they did sell out for people and they struck out. So with that being said, we got them. The Nike by you dunks. I got the yellow and green pair. Like I said, I just wanted to get them to get out. Would I have made changes to it? Yes, I would have, but I went with what I had because I did not want to be sold out. I'm seeing thread hanging off here, as you can see right here, the little thread. I'll cut that, and then maybe a little something right here hanging out the lace right here, but no big deal. You know what I'm saying? I like the shoe still. I will say that. I think the only difference is, I would say, if I can remember, I would have made this yellow, or I would have made the laces yellow. So I'm gonna buy some laces and change these out because I want to make the laces yellow, but I would have made this toe box yellow just to set it off a little bit. But overall, man, I like them. I like the shoe. I did the leather. Well, like I said, that's what they had. It has like a tumble leather. It's actually a nice tumble leather. I thought it was gonna be like this stiff, hard, weird looking leather because I saw pictures of some other people before I got mine. But it's actually not bad. It's not super soft, but it's not bad. It's manageable. I can work with it. So it's a nice, decent leather, and I will rock it, man. But yeah, overall, this joint is dope. I like it. I was able to design it, and not design it, but you know, I just copped. Like I said, they were going fast, and I just went with what they had. Like I said, I would make a few changes, but I'm gonna change the laces out. There's still some people now that still haven't got their pair. A couple of my homies still haven't got theirs yet. Some people are still just getting theirs in. I wasn't tripping because this shoe wasn't supposed to be here till June 7th, according to the order confirmation. Supposed to be June 7th, but I ended up getting them last week. I got the shoe last week, May. Maybe 15th or 16th, something like that. Last week I got my pair in, so I can't complain. Nothing else to say to it, man. Let's go to the feet. I am seeing a few inconsistencies here with the laces. Where these holes are, where the lace is supposed to go, it's still glue in it, and that's what's hanging out right here. I don't know if you guys can see that right here with this lace at where my finger is. It's glue hanging out the side. Kind of not cool. Not feeling that, but I'll work it out. It is what it is. Let's get to the feet. Let's get to it.
Rolling down the slab and I still look good. Sipping and dipping and flipping in my ride. Rolling down the slab and I still look good. Watch me stay with off the foot 5.
I'm crawling 84 spokes, 418s ain't no joke. Me and Cutler stunting H-time at 5044. Slab sitting so low, Chag sitting on low pros. Either way it go, I'm in something that's crawling so slow. 12 car entourage, moving it back. We known for candy coated Buicks, throwing blue on the leg. The red line right behind, crawling slow today. Look like a